Na.
Nah.
Na is
Na.
a G.
N-G-A.
N-G.
Yeah. Nganuman.
Nang.
Hiding already, eh?
Virgin, save me.
Hello, guys. We're going for shopping? Oh, no.
We're not going to shopping, we're going to the castle.
Yeah, we take you to Schloss Benrath. Castle, Schloss. Schloss is castle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Means castle?
Castle is actually the wrong term.
What then? Castle is like a palace.
Palace.
And that's where we are going. Like to
Yeah,
the
it's a palace. So it's
Not
a castle.
Not a castle.
Not a castle? Okay.
Oh, there's Ipanema. What is his name? They are Ipanema.
Yeah, they have also Ipanema here. So
a digyon here?
Yeah, there's the tulips.
Yeah. Is this a digyon? There's a lion.
No such thing as
Pauwi na kami, guys. Yun lang, nagsimba. Light a candle sa church at saka punta dito sa Schloss. First place na dinala sa akin ni Frank nang dumating ako dito sa Germany. We used to date here. Just two of us. Now we have kids to bring.
Yeah, who would think that? Like, you know, we were here 2 years ago.
2 years ago. And I'm not pregnant even that time.
No.
Now there's Francine.
Oh, I have too long. How did I fix your that?
See here, Schloss Benrath. Paulit-ulit lang. So we're going to take a walk. Papunta doon. Haba-haba din yun, guys. So, burning fats. Hello, Francine. Can we grab a drinks?
Yeah. I'm too hot now.
Maybe? Do you have coins? Or we should go back to Kuan.
Go back where?
There because we withdraw cash.
I don't know. I don't have any cash, no?
Si Frank at si Francine, gikapoy na sila og kuan. Gikapoy na siguro ni og lakaw. Go walking. Hello, Francine.
Old man here.
Layo-layo na din yung nilakad namin, guys. Wala nang sun. At si Francine, si Ilawa na. Yeah, pulling your hair. See dandruff there or white hair? Isa ang buwang na.
Na. Is that
N-G-A.
N-G.
Yeah, nga naman.
You have to be a chief to speak Visayan, or what is it?
My kid?
Native?
Yeah?
Yeah. Nga naman.
Nah. Was it a cow? No, it was a cow, wasn't it?
A goat. Nga.
Now here, she says it.
Nga naman.
Na numan.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Na. Muna. Na.
Nga naman.
N-G-A.
Yeah,
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Can I?
N-G.
Yeah, I know.
G.
Na. Na. Jesus Christ. Na.
Nga. Nga.
You know, in German, you pronounce every letter in the word.
Yeah, but
But in Visayan, same
I'm
as in
teaching you.
French.
Yeah, I'm
Same
teaching.
as in French, you have letters in there like X and things like that.
Yeah, I'm
who
teaching.
you
We're
don't
teaching you the
pronounce.
Visayan, same as we are struggling from German. Nga naman.
Nanoman.
I say gihigugmatika.
Nanoman.
Gihigugmatika.
Tell me why then.
It's I love you. It's gihigugmatika.
No, it's not.
It's I love you. It's
No.
I love you.
I
They
don't think
they
so.
they know that.
I heard that before in
What?
Manila. It sounded different.
Manila is speaking Tagalog.
Oops.
Gihigug.
Wasn't you? Oh.
What the?
Who else said that?
Gihigugmatika.
Gi-
Gi
geht nur Mathematik.
Gihigugmatika.
Look at that, I'm not in the video. Because
You keep on mo ang gihigugmatika.
can you speak slower? Like,
Gi.
she's an agony. It's like a horse.
She lost
Yeah.
her key. By the way guys, nakauwi na kami sa bahay.
What?
I said, nakauwi na kami sa bahay.
What's that? Why?